Today in this video we will share with you how to make turmeric face pack for oily acne prone skin and skin brightening, miracle skin whitening face mask. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So first we need turmeric powder for skin brightening. Turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components. These characteristics may provide glow and luster to the skin. Turmeric may also revive your skin by bringing out its natural glow. You may want to try a turmeric face mask at home to see if the spice has any positive effects on your skin. The curcumin found in turmeric can help wounds heal by decreasing inflammation and oxidation. It also lowers the response of your body to cutaneous wounds. This results in your wounds healing more quickly. Second, we need raw milk for skin. Milk has been popular for its benefits on skin. Milk is a rich source of calcium and protein. Raw and unpasteurized milk or even buttermilk can benefit your skin in many ways. Dermatologists are of the opinion that milk and dairy products are wholesome foods with a diverse vitamin profile. Using organically sourced milk can help you have a soft, smooth and wrinkle-free skin. Milk can be used as a natural moisturizer for the skin. Third, we need aloe vera. Aloe vera is perhaps one of the most widely used herbal remedies for topical skin conditions. This is because the gel-like components of the plant are known to heal the skin from a variety of minor ailments. In fact, you might have even used aloe in the past for sunburn, minor cuts, or small abrasion. Last, we need lemon. Skin irritation is the most common side effect from using fruit acids. Lemon is extremely acidic, which can irritate your skin. You might experience excessive dryness, redness, and peeling of your skin. These effects can be worse if you have sensitive skin. As a rule of thumb, people with sensitive skin ought to stay away from topical lemon application. Mix it well. We have to mix it well. Ready for apply on your face. How to use. Wash your face. Apply the mix to properly cleansed face, neck area as well. Leave this on for about 20 minutes. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel now.